No, to be fair, no, obviously the Springboks is match fit, and you know, there's quality players. They've played a long time together, and they've got flipping some of the best heads in the world. You know, putting a plan together. So I think the Springboks will be well prepared, and yeah, the time will tell. Like the All Blacks maybe had the scoreboard luxury tonight to try a few things from deep in their own half that I don't think they'll get away against the All Blacks, against the Springboks. You know, that's the way they do play sometimes, but they may find themselves a bit in trouble with that. I think the Springboks will see that there is opportunities if you keep the ball in hand against the All Blacks, and if I'm sure that they will look at the game and work on that. So yeah, so I think um, again, you know, I think they will well planned the box, but I feel that if you're a little bit more patient with the ball in hand tonight, we could have finished a few opportunities, and I think hopefully the box will take that. Yeah, I think we know now that we obviously need to build on our fitness. But that also will come with a few games. And there isn't many before the UFC kickoff. We only got one warm-up game, and that's against the Stormers on the 11th of September down in the battle where what's that field where the schools play their derby. So that's the one game. So the boys got a week off now, and then we're back, and then there's I think 3 weeks before we play the Stormers, and then there's 1 week of fine tuning, and then into the UFC. We obviously fly over on the Tuesday before we play Zebri, and then it's Zebri and Munster. So yeah, so we got a few weeks to get the guys ready. We'll take a lot out of this game and work on that, but also there's one or two things we want to add in the next couple of weeks. But the main priority will be our conditioning, to get our conditioning sorted. Yeah, the set piece is something we proud ourselves, but it was up and down, so we were not consistent in it. We like, for example, there was really good scrums. It was that scrum that obviously had on our ball 5 meters away that we can refer as an opportunity missed. Same with the lineouts. There were some great lineouts. We scored from a play we planned there with Ruan Vermaak, so there was positives. And then suddenly the next moment we'll make a silly call or lose the ball. So from a set piece point of view, there is definitely positives, but also work-ons. And then the physicality, I think the guys didn't, you know, I think we lacked that because that was our first full contact, and you can ask Marcel. So we just looked a little bit less contact sharp when the All Blacks played there next to the fringes. We gave away a bit momentum, but there was a lot of fight and some good pitches as well, and that's the things we can work on in the next couple of weeks.